In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get Google certified. And more importantly, I'm gonna show you how to use those Google certifications to make tons of money with no upfront capital, literally from the comfort of your home during your spare time. So don't go anywhere. Welcome back to the channel, guys, the #1 spot to increase your income, your impact, and your influence. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and go ahead and smash that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button because I am going to drop some bombs in this video. So many people reach out on the channel and on Instagram and ask me for more tips on ways to make money online with no startup capital. So this is gonna be a banger. So we're gonna start off by showing you some high income skill sets, and then we're gonna show you how to step-by-step get certified by Google, which is one of the largest companies, the most reputable companies on online marketing, literally in the world. See, if you want to increase your income, you have to simply increase your skill set. And these are high income skill sets that I'm going to share with you here today that people across the world are paying top dollar for. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive in my laptop and I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to market your services to the world so you can earn $50, $60, $70, even $100 per hour. So you want to make sure that you don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so we're in my computer and you want to start out by going to skillshop.withgoogle.com. This is going to take you to this Google website where you can go ahead and get started for absolutely free. Now you can see under Explore Skillshop, you can see all these different skill sets that you can literally get free online training from. So we have Google Ads, we have Google Marketing Platform, Google Analytics, Google My Business, Google Ads Manager, Google Ad Mob, Ways, and Authorized Buyers. So these are all different programs and skill sets that you can literally get free training and most importantly, get certified in. So you want to click on Get Certified, and it's going to take you to this page right here where you can literally choose which skill set you want to start with, right? What topic do you want to learn about? Do you want to learn about YouTube, Google My Business, Google Ads Manager, Google Ads, so on and so forth. And these are all high income skill sets that once you become certified in, people will pay you big money in order to manage their account, in order to run their media, and to help their business get exposure as well as get customers. These are all simple to get started and get certified in, and they all have different qualifications and different lengths of curriculum that you have to watch in order to get certified. There will be a basic test for each and every one prior to your certification, so just follow the simple instructions and you'll be a certified pro in no time. So for this example, let's go ahead and go over Google Ads. Once you click on Google Ads, you can see it goes over all these different topics like Google Search Ads, how to build Google Ads, Google Display Ads, Google Video Ads, Shopping Ads, Measurement Ads, Apps, and so on and so forth. So you can literally go through each and every one of these, learn how to set them up, learn what they are, learn how to optimize them, and everything from A to Z that you need to know to become a certified Google expert. So we're gonna go ahead and click on Google Ads certifications, and it's gonna take us directly to the Google Ads certification section where you can literally see all these different certifications that are available. Now, under each certification, they show approximately how many hours that it does take to go ahead and complete this certification. So this one's 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours, 4.5 hours, so on and so forth. So literally, let's say 3, 7, 11, 15, 18, 20, in 21 hours, you can literally become a certified Google expert and advertise legitimately that you are a certified expert in these fields when it comes to Google advertising. So once you click on the certification, you can scroll down and you can actually see the curriculum. So it says study Google Ads Search, and it's gonna show the optional curriculum. If you are a beginner and don't know anything, you're gonna wanna go through the curriculum. You're gonna wanna familiarize yourself with everything, and you want to make sure that you are bringing yourself up to speed prior to applying for the certification. If you already know a thing or two, you can actually go ahead and take that test, and this is going to let you know exactly where you are and what you need to brush up on prior to getting that certification. Now, in order to become certified, all you have to do is pass the assessment, and that enables you to earn the certification or the title as a Google certified expert in this particular advertising field. To get started and get signed up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Literally click login, link your Gmail account, and if you don't have a Gmail account, you can go and create a Gmail account for free at gmail.com. You're gonna submit to the TOS or Terms of Services. You're gonna click yes to additional terms. You're going to save and continue, and now you are ready to get started. So 2 things that are optional, guys, is going to be to prepare for the certification. Now it says, note, this assessment is optional, but will help you prepare for the certification. Check your understanding of key concepts tested in the certification. This is a basic knowledge check assessment. As previously mentioned, the Study Google Ads search curriculum is also optional as well. If you feel that you have a strong understanding in this field, you can go ahead and skip to the Google Assessment Certification Test. After you read the disclaimer, you're gonna go ahead and take the test. Now, once you've picked your high income skill set, you've taken the free course to get qualified, and then you've passed the Google certification. Now it's time to actually put this certification to use and to get paid big money for doing so. So I'm gonna show you 3 different websites that you can get started for free and actually use your Google certification to start getting paid big. Now you wanna make sure that you don't go anywhere, because after I show you these 3 websites, I'm gonna be showing you a hack that's gonna enable you to increase the amount that you can charge, as well as lock in long-term clients. If you haven't yet, guys, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell, because it helps us out a ton. That way I can keep dropping the newest strategies for making money online. So the first website, guys, that I'm gonna show you is People Per Hour. Now this is a website where you can go and hire experts and pay them by the hour to do specific tasks. A majority of these are gonna be expert tasks and high income skill sets that experts know. So here you can see, guys, we literally typed in Google Ads, and you can see set up and manage your Google Ads account, $260. Set up Google AdWords PPC campaign, $115. Google Data Studio Reports, $260, right? Google Ads PPC Management, $365. So it's as simple as this, guys. Create a People Per Hour account. Go ahead and advertise your new expertise, and make sure that you display that you are Google certified. They are gonna give you a certification badge, which is gonna help you drastically differentiate yourself from all the other freelancers. So depending on if this is a one-time gig or an hourly rate gig or a long-term gig, you can literally make from $60 to $100, even $300 per hour, depending on what you're doing. And this is why it's advantageous to learn a high income skill set. Moving on to website number 2, guys, we have Upwork.com. This is another freelance website that you can use and that you can set up for absolutely free, where you can actually market and get paid top dollar for your Google expertise. So the cool thing about Upwork, guys, is you can actually see how much these people are making per hour and how much they've made in total. So you see that we just typed in Google Ads, and you can see Steve is making $99 per hour and has earned $700,000, literally just using his computer, probably from home in his pajamas, right? I don't know, but literally, guys, all you need is a computer, a skill set, the will, and the free time, guys, and you can get started and earn a high income. You can see Tom is earning $70 per hour and he's earned $400,000. Doug is at $55 an hour and has earned $900,000. Now I know what you're saying, hey, all these guys are in the US. If you click this little tab right here, this will change it to worldwide. It does not matter where you live in the world. If you have this Google certification and you know this high income skill set, you can still charge top dollar. People don't look at the country, they look at the expertise, and more importantly, the results that you can get them or their company. So here you can see there's Israel, United States, there's the United Kingdom, Canada, and literally all around the world, Pakistan, India, people from all across the globe are earning top dollar by becoming an expert in one of these fields. Now, moving on to site number 3, guys, is Fiverr. And the reason why this one's last is because when it comes to high income skill sets and high income jobs like buying media or managing Google accounts, I often do not go to Fiverr. However, people do advertise on Fiverr. And as a freelancer, you wanna make sure that you're using all 3 of these accounts because they are all free. You want to get your message to the masses and you wanna increase your chances of getting booked. That way you can earn the most amount of money possible. So here you can see, guys, we typed in Google Ads and you can see someone right here is charging $95 and they say that I will set up and manage your Google Ads account for 95 bucks. Here's somebody says, I will professionally set up your Google Ads campaign, 40 bucks, 100 bucks, 195. Here's one for $980. Now they're pro verified. And here you can see that they're actually a Google partner. If you see this thumbnail, they're advertising they're a Google partner, which means they have the certifications. So the beautiful thing about Fiverr is once you start to get reviews, once you start to generate revenue, and you can furnish your Google certifications, you can apply for the pro verified account. This is gonna allow you to charge much more than $100, you can actually charge a premium like this person who's charging $980. Now, if you made it this far, guys, and you haven't smashed that like button, go ahead and smash that like button, because I'm going to drop one hack that's gonna help you increase your income and lock in long-term clients. Once you have this skill set, once you have some reviews, you're starting to gain momentum as well as experience. What you want to focus on doing is getting long-term clients. You don't want to just get all these random one-night stands who charge you $100 and they never contract you again. You want to focus on people who are going to pay you a retainer, which means they're going to pay you each and every month to manage their Google ads, their Google display ads, their YouTube ads, their Google shopping ads, and so on and so forth. So the way that I recommend doing this is by giving your gift away. It costs you nothing but time. So what I like to do and what I like to recommend people who are getting started with this approach is to give their gift away. Reach out to people who contracted you through Fiverr or Upwork or one of these other sites and say, hey, we've done work in the past. However, I'm looking to take on a few clients on a monthly basis. What I'd like to do is work with you for a week, 2 weeks, so on and so forth, get you results. And at the end of these 1 week, 2 weeks, so on and so forth, if you feel that it is worth it, we could continue to do business on a month-to-month basis. What this is gonna do is you're going to get them results. No business in their right mind is gonna turn down somebody who can increase their income, their impact, or their influence. And the way that you differentiate yourself from all these cold calling agencies, all these email cold calling and cold email companies is by giving your gift away. Because a lot of these people are saying, hey, pay me X amount per month and we'll get you results. But barely anybody is saying, let me get you results and we can go from there. What's gonna happen is the law of reciprocity is gonna kick in. When you give value, and they get value and they make money, they're gonna be more receptible to actually hire you. And now you've earned yourself a high income recurring customer who's gonna pay you every single month for 6 months or to a year, however long you guys determine. Now, on average, a lot of agencies charge anywhere between $500 all the way up to $5,000 per month. So if you become Google certified in Google Display, Google Shopping, YouTube ads, so on and so forth, you can actually pitch packages where you're gonna do all of the Google ads for e-com companies or for local chiropractors or pretty much any business. And the more you offer, the more you can charge. But remember, people love to be served and hate to be sold. So if you serve them, you get them value, you're gonna earn a long-term customer. All right, guys, so there you have it. Another fire video that's gonna show you how to increase your income, your impact, and your influence. Guys, you can get started and learn a high income skill set absolutely for free and charge top dollar. Guys, as always, information changes situations, but only through implementation. So drop down below in the comments if you're gonna implement these strategies and you are gonna learn a high income skill set. If you guys would like to learn more about my high income skill set and the #1 high income skill set that I recommend, check out the links down below and I would love to share with you exactly how I've built a multi-7-figure business selling online using just my computer during my spare time. Also, let's stay connected, guys. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at @OfficialJoshuaCrisp and check out my podcast available on all major platforms, From Nothing to Something, where I give you more cutting edge tips, strategies, and techniques that I've personally used to build several multi-7-figure businesses. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.